Let's go back to the Companies tab. Here, you can see all the companies you have accessed in the CRM and edit the columns to display almost anything you want in any order. The first thing you want to do is ask yourself what information you're looking for. There's a lot of information, and you want to quickly find the data that matters to you. Set up your view by enabling, displaying, and reordering the columns. Let's say the website is not important to me, while the address is. I can adjust the checkboxes to customize my view. There's a long list of company fields that you can add to your views. For a detailed list of fields and their definitions, please refer to the support article link below. You can also search for a company using the search bar here in the table, where you can search for a company by name, phone number, and any other information. To further refine your search, add filters for any field. For instance, to find a company in Canada, click on the Add Filter button, search for country, and select Canada. In addition, you can also sort any column you see on the table as well. Now you know how to filter, sort, and search for companies. Let's look at how you can find the best fit companies and contact the best sales potentials. There are a lot of different indicators you can use based on the solutions that you offer. By running the Snapshot report, you'll see various details about a business's digital presence, from Google Business Profile claiming to the number of monthly reviews and technologies they used on their website. These insights help you identify how you can help the local business with your solutions. For example, you can find the companies with very little likes and shares on their Facebook posts, and then send a highly targeted 3-step email campaign around increasing a business's Facebook audience, and follow it up with a call. There are many approaches to tell if a lead is worth pursuing, but there's a simple way to see these leads at a glance. This is where customizable lead scoring comes in. Set up scoring rules to evaluate both profile fit and buyer intent, helping your team focus on the best leads. These rules are fully customizable, so you can further segment your leads by the score through automation. Here's an automation template to get you started on creating a list of top leads for your agency. Finally, sometimes it's not only about chasing the new leads, it's also important to keep the old flames alive. Check out when you last touched base with your current customers by looking at the last contact date. You can also sort by it and see if there are any customers you have missed out catching up with, so you can keep the conversation fresh and keep them close.